that? What is it that you're holding?
My tennis racket.
It's nice that it doubles as a guitar, huh?
Yeah.
Kit, who's going to teach you how to use that tennis racket?
Uncle Brendan.
Oh, very good. What's Uncle Brendan going to teach you, Finn? Is he going to teach you how to play tennis? Say, come teach us how to play tennis, Uncle B.
Come on, tennis, Uncle B.
Say, we miss you, Uncle B.